What did you get into? Did you get into my mud puddle? My mud pile? Where's your brother? And your sister? Come on. Nope. No. Don't jump on me. My dirt pile. Look at you. Look at you. Well, I have been in this hole all day long working on this Offgrid camper septic system. Oh my goodness. So for the lid, I am using just a paint lid and some window, whatever it's called, Rubbermaid weather seal. These puppies were white. And I'm going to screw that in, and that'll be my access point. Let me show you what I've been working on. It's a little septic system for a camper. I took 2 of the blue barrels. On the second barrel, I lowered it an inch. The bottom of the pit is lined with gravel and has sanitary tees holding the pipe between the two. Clean out vent, or clean out pipe, and I'll be venting that one as well. That puppy was white. Some bad. All day long. It's not an easy project, so even though it looks easy on YouTube, this was definitely not easy. But I'm done, and I'm glad that I did it. May not ever use it, but hey, it's there. Okay, so the septic's all done. Still needs graded, but it's done. Took all day yesterday, and yeah.